Welcome to our video on robotics and automation, where we explore the latest advances in these technologies and how they're transforming the way we work and live. Robots and automation are becoming increasingly common in many industries, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and hospitality. One of the most significant benefits of robotics and automation is increased efficiency. Robots can work around the clock without getting tired or needing breaks, which can speed up production and reduce costs. In logistics, robots are being used to automate the movement of goods in warehouses and distribution centers. This can help companies improve their supply chain efficiency and reduce errors. Robots can be programmed to perform dangerous tasks that would be too risky for humans, such as working with hazardous chemicals or in extreme temperatures. In construction and mining, robots are being used to inspect sites and perform tasks such as drilling and blasting. This can help improve safety and reduce costs. Robots and automation are also being used in healthcare to perform tasks such as dispensing medication and assisting with patient care. For example, robots can be used to help patients with mobility issues or to monitor vital signs. In the home, robots are becoming increasingly common for tasks such as cleaning and home security. Robotic vacuums and security cameras can help homeowners save time and improve safety. And in the arts, robots are even being used for creative purposes, such as playing musical instruments and creating art installations. This can push the boundaries of what's possible in creative expression. As robots become more advanced and sophisticated, we can expect to see even more applications for these technologies in the years to come. For example, robots may be used to perform complex surgeries, repair infrastructure in hard-to-reach locations, and even assist with space exploration. However, it's important to note that while robots and automation offer many benefits, they also raise important ethical and social questions. For example, as more jobs become automated, we need to consider how to ensure a fair distribution of work and resources. At the same time, there are also opportunities for collaboration between humans and robots, where robots can assist humans with tasks and enhance their abilities. And in some cases, robots can even provide companionship and emotional support, such as in the case of robotic pets or social robots for the elderly. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest in technology and innovation.